Looking for the perfect fifth wheel for two? Whether you're hitting the road full time or just want a luxurious getaway on wheels, 2025 has some incredible fifth wheels designed with couples in mind. These RVs offer superior towing stability, residential style amenities, and spacious layouts. Today, we're exploring a handful of exceptional fifth wheels for couples. A Tandara fifth wheel that's one of this segment's smallest, lightest, and most affordable options. A stylish Eddie Bauer model with unique decor and a best-selling rear living floor plan. An innovative Sabre fifth wheel with one of the most unique rear entertaining spaces you'll see in this segment. A popular Ahara fifth wheel with a perfect balance of smart layout and high-end finishes, and a truly opulent Montana rear kitchen layout that will have you dreaming of full timing or RV retirement. From compact and affordable to spacious and luxurious, you'll find plenty to compare, leading off with the Tandara. Built by East to West, the Tandara 22RK is ideal for couples looking for a fifth wheel you can tow with a properly equipped full-size truck. With a GVWR of 11,340 pounds but a dry weight under 8,000, it's a rare, lightweight, and compact fifth wheel that balances towability with interior comfort. And because it's under 30 feet, your campground selection won't be as limited as it will be with a larger fifth wheel. Here's what makes this Tandara stand out. Ample counter space in residential appliances, cozy theater seating in a convertible booth dinette, private bedroom with a king bed, and excellent storage all throughout. Inside, you get an excellent rear kitchen that provides plenty of counter space, a deep stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet, and a convenient drying rack. You'll also find a 3-burner cooktop with oven underneath, plus a microwave up top and a 12-volt fridge for everything you need. There's also plenty of storage throughout this kitchen and living area with large upper cabinets, full extension drawers on ball-bearing guides, under-sink storage, and even a dedicated pull-out drawer for trash can storage. I love how they even give you an additional countertop just inside the entry door here to free your hands as you're loading in, and additional storage right next to the command panel. Moving to the living and dinette area, the dinette offers flexibility in dining and workspace with more thoughtful storage underneath each booth seat. Across from the dinette is your optimal location for viewing the 50-inch TV, which is this expansive sofa with recliners in all three sections. A couple more things that might go unnoticed. Expansive square windows bring in natural light, but all the windows in the Tandara have shades with reflective backing to aid with temperature control. Moving to the bathroom, simplicity meets smart design. I love the walk-in shower with a skylight, and on-demand hot water is supplied by a 60,000 BTU tankless water heater. Also, East to West went the extra mile with towel hooks and a mirrored medicine cabinet. The bedroom features a walk-around king bed, overhead storage, and dual wardrobes. And instead of eating into your wardrobe storage to provide a hidden cubby, they added a nightstand with dual outlets at the head of the bed. Again, they didn't skimp on storage with this additional closet space. And you do have a backer and connections for a second TV right here if you want one. All right, let's take a look outside. The Tandara 22RK offers common fifth wheel exterior features like solid aluminum entry steps, an 18-foot awning, a large forward pass-through storage, universal docking station, and pre-wiring for solar. Plus, it comes with Wi-Fi and a rear observation camera. When equipped, East to West Extended Season Package is really where this compact fifth wheel shines though. The underbelly and the tank valves are insulated, enclosed, and heated. Composite insulation is added to the roof, underbelly, and front cap. The roof, front cap, and main floor also boast additional fiberglass insulation. And East to West adds 2-inch block foam insulation to the Asdel laminated sidewalls, slide-out end walls, roofs, and the rear wall. Combined with conveniences like water shutoff valves on all plumbing fixtures and an easy winterization valve, the Tandara 22RK is an attractive small fifth wheel for extended season camping. For couples wanting a smaller, highly affordable, yet well-equipped fifth wheel, the Tandara 22RK is a solid choice. But what if you need a bit more living space? Well, let's look at the Eddie Bauer 3101 RL. The rear living floor plan is popular among fifth wheel buyers, and the Eddie Bauer 3101 RL by Heartland is the first of this layout on our list. Featuring a rear sleeper sofa, theater seating across from an entertainment center, a freestanding dinette, and a spacious kitchen with a central island. This fifth wheel standout features include unique Eddie Bauer interior design, rear living layout with premium seating, spacious kitchen with ample counter space, and a king bed in the primary suite. All Eddie Bauer campers stand out for their unique interior design. There's two-tone cabinetry with this champagne bronze hardware. It just really gives the iconic Eddie Bauer look. You'll find the ash tones above the entertainment center and around the fireplace. And it just beautifully contrasts the green oak throughout the kitchen. It's a style that you can only get with the Eddie Bauer brand. But doesn't the kitchen just feel residential? It's going to be highlighted by a full-height pantry, a massive double-door refrigerator with split-level freezer compartments, and this spacious central island with an undermounted apron front sink and the really nice high-rise faucet. You even have a coffee hutch or utility area with a real backsplash for small appliances or additional prep space. Moving up into the bathroom, this right here, at least in my mind, is what truly makes this a couple's fifth wheel, and that is a dual vanity. Check out this massive mirror up above the dual sinks with the pressed countertops. You have plenty of space in between them. Space underneath for your linens and toiletries, as well as a linen closet next to the shower. Speaking of the shower, it is nice and spacious to walk in with a glass door plus a big skylight up top. But where do you lay your head at night? Well, in the king bed, of course. And having the king bed in a slide makes a lot of room for all the wardrobe space up front, plus the additional closet space right next to it. I really like the inlaid mirrors too, giving you almost full height mirror. You will also see additional dresser right here below the second TV prep in the bedroom, which really just rounds out this thoughtful king bedroom. From the automotive painted front cap to the laminated Asdel sidewalls to the heated and enclosed underbelly, this Eddie Bauer fifth wheel offers solid construction. You'll notice a mounted backup observation camera for guided maneuvering into your campsites and auto leveling for quicker setup once you're parked. A powered awning with LED lighting provides coverage and illumination for your outdoor patio space, which is supplemented by not only JBL outdoor speakers, but also TV hookup for all of your entertainment needs. Plus, Heartland gives you this massive pass-through storage compartment with slam latch baggage doors for all of your RV essentials and camping gear. If you're looking for a couple's fifth wheel with more space without a significantly higher price tag, Eddie Bauer has a great one here. But if luxury is what you're really looking for, well, then let's check out the Sabre 33RL. Is that? You don't see that every day, do you? That's right, it's a fifth wheel with a built-in sun deck. The Forest River Sabre 33RL has one of the most unique rear-living fifth wheel floor plans you're going to see in 2025, offering unique space for relaxing or entertaining guests. Here are some of its key highlights. You have a massive off-camp slide out for an incredibly spacious living area. Of course, the electric patio deck with dedicated power awning. An L-shaped sectional sofa with a storage ottoman across from a fireplace and TV. Thoughtful U-shaped kitchen with residential appliances, and a king bed in the master suite with prep for separate washer and dryer units. You won't find this kind of indoor-outdoor living versatility in many fifth wheels. Now, granted, it is more common in toy haulers with rear patios, but in those, the indoor living space is, well, it's a garage. As you can see, that is far from the case in the Sabre's rear living area. Now, some say 2025 is the year of the RV patio, others say it's the year of the L-shaped sofa, and Sabre says it's both. This sectional has recliners, a pull-out bed, and corner storage. The ottoman, which also pulls up into a workstation, provides even more storage, and all this sits across from a 70-inch TV with 60-inch electric fireplace, decorative shelving, and ample cabinet storage. But I know you're dying to know more about this Sabre Sun Deck. It's a 4x10 extendable electric patio with a clear safety railing, a 1,200-pound load capacity, and a 12-foot powered awning with LED lighting above it. With the sliding glass doors and the full-height privacy curtains, this very well might be the most creative indoor-outdoor entertaining space we've ever seen in an RV. But that's not all. The kitchen has smart design features like the multi-purpose sink with a glass rinser, flip-up countertop extension, and a wine rack above the 30-inch convection microwave. There's just no wasted space. We mentioned residential appliances, right? You get a 4-burner cooktop with a gas oven and double door fridge with a split level freezer compartment. It's honestly just a great use of this front space with a huge pantry that includes broom storage, a coffee or utility hutch, and additional overhead storage. Moving into the bathroom, the highlights include a walk-in shower with a bench and this creative pull-out linen closet. I also love how they opened up the area under the counter for a trash can or toilet paper holder. Just honestly, so many RVs miss adding space for the bathroom trash, but not this one. The bedroom boasts a Camper King mattress set in a slide out with opposing windows. That way you get great cross ventilation on the hot summer days. One of my favorite parts though, check this out. You get a hideaway headboard. Can anyone say RV library collection? Yeah, or you choose, I don't know, store anything you want in there, but in my mind, it's just a pretty cool addition. Then check out the front closet. You have washer prep on the camp side and dryer prep on the opposite, maintaining this central area here for clothing. And with triple slide closet doors, Forest River really improved closet access over a lot of its competitors. Let's see what else Sabre offers on the outside. All right, due to the location of the rear sun deck, you'll actually find your outdoor fridge situated here in the Sabre's pass-through storage compartment. That makes it most convenient for anyone lounging under the front awning, but your patio guests might want you to toss them a refill on occasion. Like any notable luxury fifth wheel, the Sabre features an auto leveling system, an enclosed underbelly, and tank valves with forced air heating and reflecting window tint to help with interior climate control. If you're a couple who loves entertaining, it's hard to pass up the Sabre's versatility in the living area. But maybe you're looking for a more traditional rear living layout with some upscale touches. Well then, let's check out the Ahara 365 RL. East to West Ahara 365 RL features a similar floor plan to the earlier Eddie Bauer, but this fifth wheel is all about high-end finishes. From simple upgrades like a multi-spray shower head to more impressive features like a pull-out fireplace tray, premium luxury at a surprising price tag is the Ahara's calling card. Here are a few other standouts. Theater seating across from a 50-inch TV above an electric fireplace. Large kitchen with dual countertop extensions in the central island. King bed in the primary suite with underbed drawers and a second TV, and dual vanity sinks and dual medicine cabinets in the bathroom. Inside, in the rear living area, you'll find a 78-inch sofa and theater seating directly across from the TV, which is on a swivel arm. That way it's easy to reposition for optimal viewing wherever you're sitting, even over in the freestanding dinette. And check out the storage behind the fireplace. There's a big tray back there. For me, it's gonna be perfect for family board game night. You know, I can put the collection in there, but let me know what you're putting in there. Drop it down in the comments. When we're not playing games, because everyone's getting hungry, well, that's where this residential kitchen comes in, and it has everything that you'll need and then some. I mean, look at the island. You have a ton of countertop space here with dual extensions, plus a 24-inch oven with a 4-burner cooktop, 30-inch microwave, and this massive double-door fridge freezer. You have the dual freezers right down below. There's also a dedicated spot for a trash can, and you have the big pantry right next to the coffee bar. Like the Eddie Bauer, the bathroom is built for a couple with dual sinks, but it's an upgrade because you also both get dedicated medicine cabinets for your toiletries. Sure, there are smaller mirrors in here, but I think the storage is just better overall. Partly because East to West smartly used pocket doors, giving them space to add more linen storage right here next to the shower, which as you can see is a luxurious walk-in style with the shower tower of power that gives you all the spray settings your heart desires. In the primary bedroom, the king bed is still set in a slide out, but the larger slide room provides added space for actual nightstands on either side. No flip-up stands or hanging baskets. And if you like the idea of larger mirrors in the Eddie Bauer, check out the floor-to-ceiling mirrors here. Plus, pocket doors for the front closet and easy accessibility, and a secondary closet with prep for a stackable washer and dryer. I'm loving the flow and functionality of this bedroom, and I'm always a sucker for hidden storage, which they creatively added beneath the TV right here. But let's hop outside and see what else the Ahara is hiding. East to West didn't hesitate to add luxury finishes to the Ahara's exterior either. They added motion-sensing LED lights to the pass-through storage compartment. Their expanded solar package includes a 430-watt panel, a 50-amp charge controller, and a 2,000-watt inverter. They even gave you an extended sewer hose carrier and a marine-grade LED light at the sewer termination to make one of the not-so-fun parts of RV camping a little less troublesome. And don't sleep on the ease of towing that Ahara offers with its towing package, which includes some LED marker lights, backup camera prep, a tire pressure monitoring system, H-rated tires, more ride suspension, and Dexter Gladiator axles with never adjust brakes. All in all, if you're after a fifth wheel with a smart floor plan and a host of luxury refinements, the Ahara 365 RL is an excellent option. But what if you're tired of these rear living layouts and you want something a little bit different? Well, that's where the Montana 3901 RK comes in, and we're gonna check it out right now. Keystone's Montana 3901 RK offers split-level fifth wheel living at its finest. This high-end fifth wheel is designed for those who love to cook and entertain, but it has plenty for couples to enjoy their space and solitude once guests depart. Here are some of this Montana's standout features. You're looking at a raised bar kitchen layout with extensive counter space and residential appliances, optimal entertainment viewing from powered theater seating, living area versatility with a convertible hide-to-bed sofa, luxury primary suite with king bed and barn door entry to the private front bathroom, and it's a bath and a half floor plan for a second guest lavatory. As you can see, I'm actually starting in the closet. Why? Because this is a true walk-in RV closet, complete with washer and dryer prep, ample shelving, and plenty of hanging storage. Like several of the other great fifth wheels for couples, you get a dual vanity with your own mirror right across from a walk-in shower with a skylight and the upgraded multi-spray shower head. This front bathroom is truly lavish, and it just gives couples the privacy you'd have at home when hosting, but in an RV. The bedroom doesn't disappoint either. You get a standard king-size bed in a slide with opposing windows for cross ventilation. You'll also find dual reading lights and flip-up nightstands with outlets underneath. Across the way is a smart TV mounted above this huge dresser, all in a slide-out, giving you space for anything you can't fit in that massive front closet. And as we step down into the living area, what's behind this door? Well, a true half bath. Now, whether you use it for yourself when you're just hanging out, or you want to employ it for guests to use to keep your front bath nice and clean, that's completely up to you. This living area offers seating for up to 8 people at once, with a hide-to-bed sofa, powered theater seating with heat and massage settings. Again, these are Lazy Boy brand, and this freestanding dinette, which is perfect for 2 in its compact version, but easily expands when you're hosting more people. And naturally, we saved the best for last because the kitchen is truly the crown jewel of this Montana fifth wheel. Not only can you oversee your gathering from this elevated vantage point or keep tabs on the game while prepping the charcuterie board, but just take a look at all this meal prep space you have spread throughout the kitchen. With a large 3-burner cooktop and a 24-inch oven below a range hood and convection microwave, this is truly a kitchen fit for an RV party. The 18 cubic foot refrigerator features an ice maker for all you cocktail aficionados, and the campside slide out makes room for additional counter space and some of the best dry goods storage you'll find in any luxury fifth wheel. For my money, it's truly the best kitchen we've covered so far, but this Montana does have a few more tricks up its sleeve. Let's go take a look outside. So that raised kitchen is great for cooking and overseeing the festivities as we saw inside, but it also makes room for one of the best RV storage compartments you will find. It's accessible from 3 sides and has a slide-out storage tray, and honestly, the storage bay is so large, you can almost call it your RV garage, just from all the stuff you can fit inside it. But it isn't a substitute for a pass-through compartment either. As you can see, Montana still gives you the massive front pass-through, complete with the rubberized flooring, a multi-source TV connection, and a whole RV water filtration system. Also, it is extra large due to the drop frame construction. Combine these luxuries with a 6-point hydraulic auto-level system, a 300-pound accessory hitch for a bike rack or cargo carrier, and a shock-absorbing hitch pin for smoother towing, and you can just see why Montana fifth wheels are just built different. So which of these fifth wheels fits your style best? Which one's your favorite? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to see future RV buying guides.